Do you want to look put together, but you don't want it to take forever? Check out this 5-minute makeup routine. Okay, here's how I do my 5-minute makeup routine. So I'm almost out of my foundation, so guess what I'm gonna do? We are doing tinted primer today. I'm just taking my foundation and I'm gonna mix it with my Dermalogica Active Moist. Mix it up. And we have prolonged the life of our foundation. I'm using the IT Cosmetics CC Plus Cream. I just put foundation on my eyelids. I really don't do very much else on my eyes. I do have eyelash extensions, and the eyelash extensions have saved me so much time getting ready. I'm gonna just blend my blending brush. I actually really like to do my eyebrows first, but got a little carried away. A little more on why I like to do my eyebrows first. It just makes them a lot more crisp and clean. And I also like to use a Q-tip. Okay. I spend most of my time blending. Next, go ahead and... This bronzing stick is by Lime Crime, and it's called Sun-Kissed Shade Cove. Stick. Just kind of outline my nose a little bit. A little bit under my chin. Taking another blending brush. Today I'm using the blending brushes by Bdellium Tools. I will also say that makeup looks best when going on a smooth canvas. I waxed my eyebrows and my lip before, I guess it was like a day or two ago. When your skin is really healthy, your makeup application is gonna look much better. I highly recommend getting professional skin and waxing services by an esthetician. Now let's apply some highlighter. I'm totally about to call this bronzer in the video, but this is the Anastasia Glow Kit. A little bit of bronzer on my cheeks, with my nose, Cupid's bow, a little bit on my chin, and there. Guess what we're gonna do now? He said blend, you're right. Oh, can't forget little spot. I'm gonna take the same, actually I'm gonna take this white one, go right here, just kind of like brightens it up. When you hit these spots with the highlighter, it makes it look like you have a real live filter. And don't forget to have a little spoolie nearby, especially if you have eyelash extensions like me. Ooh, last 30 seconds. That's not even my brow. Stop, here it is. Just gonna blend in a little bit. It's pretty dark. So now I'm going in and I'm blending my eyebrows. I really did this look today with very few products. I did make sure to have Q-tips nearby, spoolies nearby, and great blending brushes. That's super important, the blend. Very last step. Chapstick. Lip liner. Lipstick. Okay, actually that was more like a matte lip gloss. like to use a little darker shade. Still in the neutrals. Okay, there we go. Now I'm gonna just do my hair real quick, and that's my 5-minute makeup. Bonus, here is a really quick, easy way to do your hair. It's just 2 twisties secured with barrettes. I hope you like my content. If you do, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.